Respected viewers, begin your winter mornings with lukewarm water as it strengthens the digestive system. After sunrise, make sure to sit in the sunlight because it helps the body absorb vitamin D. Drinking honey mixed with lukewarm water on an empty stomach daily boosts immunity. Do not give cold foods to children because their throat gets affected quickly. Viewers, skipping breakfast in winter is the biggest mistake. Warm foods like porridge, soup, and eggs give strength to the body. Viewers, ginger, cinnamon, and cloves act as natural medicine in winter. Drinking too much tea causes dehydration, so maintain moderation. Drinking more lukewarm water helps reduce tonsils. Chicken soup is the best winter remedy. It provides warmth to the body. Walk for at least half an hour daily. Sitting in the sunlight improves mood and reduces depression. Viewers, massaging the body with olive oil keeps it warm and the skin soft. Apply coconut oil to prevent pimples on the hands. Aloe vera gel is excellent for facial dryness. Before sleeping at night, apply Vaseline or a night cream. Viewers, do not bathe with very hot water in winter as it dries out the skin. Use moisturizer daily, especially after bathing. Always keep a lip balm with you so your lips don't crack. Viewers, get enough sleep because the body needs more rest in winter. Quitting exercise makes the body heavy and the mind sluggish. Viewers, yoga and light stretching are excellent exercises. If you can't go outside, climbing stairs is a good workout. Viewers, let children play in the sunlight so their immunity becomes stronger. Eat fresh salad with warm soup. Maintain balance. Boiled eggs, butter, walnuts, and almonds increase strength, but excessive fat increases weight. A little honey daily is good for the heart. Radish, carrots, turnips, and spinach are beneficial winter vegetables. Viewers, oranges provide vitamin C and protect against flu. Ginger tea is a natural remedy for cold and flu. Viewers, lemon water refreshes the skin. If you wash your hands frequently, apply a light lotion. Use lukewarm water and a mild face wash for the face in the morning. Apply moisturizer before makeup and keep makeup light so the skin can breathe. Lip balm is better than lip gloss. Primer under foundation protects the skin. Viewers, do not use too much powder as it makes the skin look patchy. Removing makeup at night is necessary. Otherwise, pimples appear on the skin. Viewers, always keep a water bottle with you because in winter you feel less thirsty but need more water. Drink lukewarm water with honey and lemon in the morning. For cough, take steam. It is a natural remedy. If the nose is blocked, take steam or do saltwater gargles. Viewers, don't stay lazy under the blanket. Waking up early leads to success. Take soup or eggs for breakfast. Viewers, don't stay hungry for long because blood sugar drops quickly in winter. Cold foods irritate the throat, so drink lukewarm beverages. Pure ghee in small amounts is beneficial. Morning time is best for prayers. It warms the soul. Back pain is common in winter. Do light stretching. Viewers, drinking less water makes skin dry. Drink 8 glasses of water daily. Do not forget to apply cream on the heels. Rose water refreshes the face. Viewers, if the nose becomes dry, apply a few drops of olive oil. Using the phone for too long makes the fingers numb. Viewers, apply moisturizer before going outside. Diabetic patients should avoid too much tea or coffee. Viewers, sitting in sunlight reduces depression. Therefore, sunlight is necessary during the day. Reading a book under a blanket gives mental peace. Washing feet with warm water helps treat cold and flu. Brush your teeth regularly because bad breath increases in winter. Woolen clothes are better than cotton in winter. Dry clothes in sunlight to keep them fresh. Viewers, wearing gloves protects the skin. Cover your nose, ears, and head before going outside. Take a lukewarm shower after exercise so the body doesn't get shocked. If your hands and feet stay cold, do exercises that improve blood circulation. Eat less fat and more protein. Foods rich in omega-3 like fish and walnuts are beneficial. Oil pulling strengthens teeth. Carrot and beetroot juice is excellent for the skin. Viewers, teach children to drink water. Give them warm milk and dry fruits for breakfast. If the nose bleeds, take steam and reduce cold symptoms. Viewers, saltwater gargles strengthen the throat. Honey on the lips works as a natural balm. Avoid cold drinks and do not go out in strong cold winds as they worsen flu. Viewers, giving warm clothes to others is also an act of worship. The real joy of winter comes when the heart is grateful and the tongue remains prayerful. Drinking lukewarm water with a pinch of black salt reduces the effect of cold. Eating 1 banana with honey daily provides instant energy. Massage the body with mustard oil warmed with garlic. Gargling with warm salted water clears the throat. Viewers, boil tulsi leaves to make a herbal tea. It relieves cough. Take honey mixed with black pepper twice a day. Apply Vaseline on the heels at night and wear socks. Apply honey on the lips and wash after 10 minutes to keep them soft. Viewers, mix a few drops of rosewater in lukewarm water and splash it on the face. Eating soaked almonds before sleep improves sleep quality. Peanuts warm the body. Chickpeas and sweet potatoes are excellent winter foods. Viewers, use black seeds, kalonji, with honey to boost immunity. Sit in the morning sunlight for 10 minutes. Mix a few drops of ginger juice in a spoon of honey and take it morning and evening. Boil dates in lukewarm milk and drink it to soothe the throat. Mix a little salt in mustard oil and massage the feet. Drink lukewarm water with honey on an empty stomach to keep the body warm. Drink ginger and tulsi tea daily to prevent cold and flu. Viewers, do a light massage with mustard oil, especially on the chest and feet. Wear socks and warm clothes, especially morning and evening. Avoid cold foods and refrigerated water. Eating 1 clove of garlic daily boosts immunity. Drink turmeric milk at night. Taking steam is best for cold and blocked nose. Sit in sunlight for a while to get vitamin D. Protect children from cold air and keep their heads covered. Viewers, dress children in layered clothing. Make them wear a cap or hat on the head. Sit them in morning sunlight for 10 minutes. Give lukewarm milk. Add a pinch of turmeric to the milk. Viewers, give honey with lukewarm water in small quantities. Do not give cold water at all to children over 1 year. Keep bath water lukewarm. Dry the body immediately after bathing. Massage with mustard oil daily. Give broth and soup. Viewers, try to give an egg daily. Add dry fruits to their diet. Ginger herbal tea in small amounts is beneficial. Viewers, do saltwater gargles. Protect the child from direct fan air. Apply Vicks on the chest at night. Keep the pillow slightly elevated if the child has a cold. Do not make the child sit in damp places. Change clothes quickly if the child sweats. Avoid playing outside after evening. Do not give cold ice cream. Make the child wear socks at night. Warm an ajwain pouch and apply it to the chest. Viewers, massage with lukewarm olive oil. Turmeric milk is beneficial at night. Boil tulsi leaves in water and give it. Wash hands and face with lukewarm water. Viewers, if you liked the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.